Everyone, Chief Meteorologist Caleb Beesing here. Today is a weather alert day, surprisingly. Let's go ahead and get into it and see what's going on. So, last time we were talking about how some showers may roll through the Lincoln area. It has gotten a lot amplified in our weather conditions that we do really need to talk about today. So, we're going to see 90s today, and that's why we're on a weather alert day for excessive heat. Partly cloudy today, 91 on your Wednesday, tomorrow 90, Thursday, partly cloudy, 91 on your Friday, partly cloudy, and then 90 on Saturday with thunderstorms. Now Saturday is what we're going to be looking at as well. Current conditions right now in Lincoln, it is sunny at the moment. Probably going to get a little more cloud development. Not going to be overcast, but still going to be a lot of cloud development. Today's forecast, partly cloudy, then later tonight we'll expect clear conditions, maybe a shower or two rolling through the Lincoln area, maybe an isolated rumble of thunder or two. Current prediction, or Storm Prediction Center outlook, we have a slight risk out in the western part of the state. We also have a marginal getting closer to the central part of the state than just thunderstorms here in our coverage areas, except for that little sliver way eastward. We do have a tornado threat. We have a 5% way out in that corner of the panhandle. That's just a sliver for the panhandle. The rest of the panhandle is in a 2%. Now, this is what we're going to talk about. We have a severe weather risk for Saturday, and it's high enough that the National Weather Service has, in fact, made a post on it. So, if we look, we got a medium risk for tornadoes, medium risk for hail, medium risk for wind, but a low risk for flooding, so that's a good, flooding won't be a thing. So, well, it could be. So, a tornado or two is possible. At least 1 inch hail is possible. Damaging winds are possible. And let's say maybe some localized heavy rainfall. Chance of any storms is 30 to 50. Chance of severe storms is 15 to 29. But that doesn't mean that it's not going to happen. So if you have outdoor plans on Saturday, keep an eye on the weather. Subscribe if you are not already so you can have these updates on these storms. This was posted today at around 4:17 a.m., so it's pretty fresh. Severe storms may impact the area Saturday afternoon and evening. Is what the main time ratio is. So Saturday afternoon and evening. So, but though lots of questions remain on the details. You want to keep your eye on the forecast in the coming days, especially if you have outdoor plans. So, like that was saying, it is not yet a 30%, but I am going to go ahead and mark it as an enhanced risk at this time. That could change because we have a day 4 outlook, and those are only 2 risk factors. They're not from marginal to high. So we do not have an accurate depiction yet of how this is going to turn out. But with the way this risk is looking already, we're going to go ahead and put it as a marginal risk. And if we go ahead and turn it to the other slide, you do see that we already have our alerts. For today, we do have a tornado watch in effect for this portion right here down in the panhandle. Then we also have a heat advisory that's in effect that does include Lancaster. This is going to include the 4-day outlook since we're in that 90 range. And then the tornado watch that you see, this goes all the way across. It just kind of fades out because the heat advisory is still there. But that is going across. It is just the heat advisory is overlapping it. That is going to be the tornado watch that we have in effect for Saturday. Now, this could very well get unissued if we see that the risk is lower than we thought and the tornado threat goes down. But for right now, all hazards are possible, and you saw that we are in a medium risk for tornado threats, which that is 5%, which 5% or higher is when we, in particular, will issue a tornado watch. I know the National Weather Service also does that, but not all the time. But yeah, right now it looks like conditions are favorable for a tornado watch, so that's what we're going to put down for now. That could get unissued once again before Saturday. And thank you for watching the morning weather. I'm Chief Meteorologist Caleb Easing. Here are our credits.